trying to do something for the community. Obviously, PAML's mission and values support that, so we're really trying to get a good group together to try to finish all the tasks they have out here today.
How did you get involved?
Last year we started this with just the IT operations folks, and we had a really good turnout. So this year we decided, you know what, I'll go ahead and try it, put a little competition together and get the entire IT department out here, and I believe we've more than quadrupled the number of IT employees out here today.
And what's going on today, really?
Okay, we're taking out all the carpet in the whole living room and 2 bathrooms and hallway, and we're pulling up all the tack strip and cleaning up the wood floor basically to leave the finished hardwood floor, and then we're going to clean out the hot water tank a little later probably. We're doing a lot of painting. The stairwell down to the basement is being painted, and the kitchen is being all painted. The garage out back is being painted all on the exterior and the fascia, and we are tearing out and retiling the floor in the bathroom because that was a problem, and caulking around the tubs in both bathrooms, putting in some electrical outlets in the bedroom basement for the outlets, and hauling out quite a bit of garbage, and doing a lot of flower beds and pavers outside, landscaping, cleaning things up.
Amazing and overwhelming at the same time. I just think it's amazing that all these people are coming out here just to help our family, and we're going to enjoy it very much so.
Wonderful.
Yes, thank you. Let's see how it looks.
Good for you.
It makes me happy.
Just to help out.
We're somewhere in the realm of about 40 IT employees out here today. Sonny's also here, John Tolley's here, a few other managers, Juliet Wyatt's here. All came out to show their support for their teams as well as for the people here and get something done for the community.
We called before we dug, right?
Yeah.
So how's that stump coming?
Yeah, it makes the chainsaw hard. Come on. You're asking way too much. No, I don't think it's gonna work.
It's like one big...
We are finally getting a stump grinder. It'll be here in 30 minutes.